Ever feel like you have a great long-term vision but no idea what to do today? Or maybe you're sprinting fast but not sure if you're running in the right direction. In Scrum, two commitments solve this problem: the product goal and the sprint goal. They are two sides of the same coin, providing both long-term vision and short-term focus. In the next 5 minutes, you'll master how these two goals align and ensure your team is always delivering maximum value. Let's dive in. The product goal is the long-term objective for the Scrum team. It describes a single future state of the product, acting as the target that the entire product backlog is aiming for. It's an aspirational commitment that guides the team for many sprints, often months, sometimes longer. All work in the product backlog exists only to move the product closer to achieving this one goal. Once the goal is achieved, the team pivots to a new one. It provides persistence and purpose. When is it defined and by who? The product owner is solely accountable for setting, communicating, and achieving the product goal. They define it initially and communicate it to all stakeholders. Is the product goal static? No, but it is persistent. The product owner must constantly inspect the market and customer needs at the sprint review to ensure the product goal remains valid. If market conditions change drastically, the product owner may need to change or abandon the product goal. The product goal acts as the ultimate filter for the entire product backlog. If a proposed feature or request doesn't help achieve the current product goal, it should not be on the backlog. This critical alignment prevents the team from taking on unnecessary work or distractions. Forget abstract visions. Your product goal should be a smart target that drives commitment and focus. Specific, clear enough that everyone knows exactly what the future state of the product looks like. Measurable. You must be able to quantify success. This allows the team to inspect progress. Achievable or actionable. It must be realistic and translate directly into work the developers can commit to. Relevant. The goal must be aligned with the organization's overarching business strategy and mission. Is this the right goal for the company right now? It ensures the team is spending time and resources on activities that truly maximize business value. Time-bound. The goal must have a defined timeframe or target date for achievement, e.g. by Q4, within the next 6 months. This creates urgency, helps the product owner, PO, prioritize strategically, and provides a clear point for inspection and adaptation. The sprint goal, the immediate stepping stone. The sprint goal is the single objective for the sprint. It's a short, specific, and clear statement of why the next increment is being built and what value it aims to deliver. It is created collaboratively during sprint planning by the Scrum team. Importantly, the sprint goal must be a tangible step toward achieving the overall product goal. Is the sprint goal static? Yes, for the duration of the sprint. The sprint goal only changes if the sprint is canceled, which is rare, or if the team achieves it early and collaborates to set a new one within the same time box. The sprint goal acts as a shield for the developers. Once it's set, the developers commit to it. However, if they run into technical obstacles during the sprint, they are empowered to adapt the scope of the sprint backlog items, the specific tasks, to ensure the sprint goal is still met. The goal remains fixed. The path to the goal is flexible. This prevents scope creep and external distractions. Like the long-term product goal, the short-term sprint goal should adhere to the SMART criteria to ensure it is a specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objective that guides the developer's work during the sprint. The product goal is achieved through a sequence of sprint goals. Every sprint goal is simply the next stepping stone toward the product goal. The work to achieve the sprint goal should be structured using vertical slicing. Vertical slicing means creating a small slice of end-to-end functionality that delivers value rather than finishing all the database work, horizontal, before moving to the UI work, horizontal. A good sprint goal always encourages vertical slicing because it demands a usable increment of value. The product goal defines where you are going. The sprint goal defines the next step you are taking. Together, they give the Scrum team the clarity, commitment, and focus needed to maximize value. Now you know how to align vision and execution. If you want to dive deeper into sprint planning where these goals are set, hit that like button and subscribe now. Thanks for watching.